welcome back. And today we have a Miniso haul. So I don't know about you, but जब भी मैं Miniso जाती हूँ, I feel like buying all their products because they're so cute and irresistible. So I feel like कि ये भी खरीद लो, वो भी खरीद लो, but I controlled myself. And I'm gonna show you कि मैंने शॉपिंग के टाइम पे क्या क्या खरीदा. दिस इंक्लूड्स माई रिसेंट शॉपिंग प्लस माई थोड़ा पुराने वाला शॉपिंग. जो यू गेट इट राइट. फर्स्ट इज दिस hair brush, detangling hair brush. It's in the color pink. It's very cute. I like it and it actually causes less breakage मेरे पुराने वाले brush से. So yeah, it's really cute and it was pretty cheap. I don't remember the price. मैंने शायद निकाल दिया, but yeah, it's nice and it also has this hair scraper कि इसमें जब बाल अटक जाते हैं so you can remove them बाद में. काफ़ी उसमें ये साथ में नहीं आता. So yeah, this is very useful guys. Next would be rubber bands. Well, rubber bands कभी भी कम नहीं हो सकते. You always need hair ties तुम कहीं भी जाओ. And these are actually pretty rough ones जो तुम easily घर पे यूज कर सकते हो something like that. And they were pretty cheap. 100 में इतने सारे. Like what else do you want guys? Next is this really cute I don't know कितनों ने शो देखा है but it's called We Bare Bears and ये बहुत ही पता नहीं कब आता था. मैं बचपन में देखती थी. So उसका ये क्यूट सा बैग मिला मेरे को. बैग wallet type thing whatever and it's actually very convenient, kinda useful चिल्लड़ वगैरह रखने के लिए. So yeah, I love it. Next would be this lip balm. It's actually called cherry lip balm and it is a tinted lip balm. You can see and it's actually pretty good. मतलब मैं normally ऐसे ही कहीं से lip balm नहीं लेती but this one is really cute. It actually tints the lip, not a lot but not too less, just decent enough to go out somewhere. So yeah, this is something I always carry in my purse. Ooh, next is actually a very important and essential investment that I made. So it's the jewelry box. So ये बहुत ही क्यूट लगा मुझे. It has 3 compartments. हाँ, 3 compartments and उसमें you can put your jewelry. कोई भी तुम्हारे प्यारे प्यारे earrings हो. मैं तो इनको अपने सारे important earrings के लिए रखा है. So whenever I need to go, I just take them out of this and it's very convenient, very useful. So yeah, I love this. This was for, I don't know, मैंने price tag हटा दिया, but it was pretty cheap. I buy cheap stuff, so I know it. So yeah, I love this box. Other than this, I have sleep cap. I'll show you. So this is the color and yeah, it's a satin का sleep cap. So I use the sleep cap रात को सोते time cause it is said कि भाई like मेरे curly बाल हैं, wavy whatever, so it stays protected इसमें. And initially I thought maybe it's a scam but no, it actually works. Like normal pillowcase में जब मैं सो के उठती my hair goes crazy, but when I use this they actually tangled way less than earlier. So yeah, this is another investment and this was for 170. अब मुझे नहीं पता ये सस्ता है या नहीं बट या सीम लाइक अ गुड डील, वरना अगर मेरी आंखों के सामने नहीं होता तो शायद मैं कभी नहीं खरीदती. The last product of the day would be, these are cotton pads, very important, especially tonight. It like helps you remove makeup and all that, and there are so many of them. I think it has some 100 cotton pads, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा है भाई. और तुम्हें कितने चाहिए तुम्हें? And it's for ₹170 again. Seemed like a fair deal to me. I don't know, so I bought them all. Yeah, they're soft and nice, and they remove my makeup, most importantly. Also, a bonus product would be, tada, face mask. I don't know about you, but I love face masks. They keep my skin hydrated, and especially this one, the one of vitamin C. I love this one. And yeah, cucumber is not for me, but I'm sure it might be good as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Let me know अगर तुम भी मिनी से जाके थोड़ा आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाते हो और सब कुछ खरीदने का मन होता है. Like they're just so cute. I love them. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.